and West Bengal Sports Minister Arup Biswas has now offered to resign to Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Remember, this is after the gaffe that took place, in fact, the fiasco rather, when Lionel Messi visited Kolkata, and it was an absolute mess with the sporting icon on the field for just about 10 minutes, and then he left. He was completely surrounded by VIPs and fans who had been waiting hours to see their icon. Then just they went on a rampage, and they also, as you could see there, vandalized the stadium. So since then the organizer has been arrested, and there's been a huge embarrassment really for Kolkata and the West Bengal government. And now, taking responsibility, the West Bengal minister, sports minister Arup Biswas, has offered to resign, and this is after the footballer came to Kolkata, and this was on December 13th. And what the criticism was that Lionel Messi was simply surrounded by just VIPs who got their photographs, while the fans were waiting for hours and did not even get a glimpse of the sporting legend, of the football star. And it is after that that there was absolute mayhem at the stadium, and it's been a huge embarrassment really to the West Bengal government, given what happened after that. Lionel Messi has gone on to Hyderabad, Mumbai, and then yesterday he was in Delhi. It all went very, very smoothly. Just in West Bengal, his visit started with this huge embarrassment, this huge fiasco. Well, let's go across to Shreyashi. All right, we will try and connect with Shreyashi, but now the sports minister Arup Biswas offering to take responsibility for what happened. This was at the Vivekanand Yuva Bharati Kirangana, and there was this huge situation. He's written in a letter, "You have already formed a probe committee for an impartial probe. I want to be relieved as sports minister of West Bengal. I would like you to please accept my request," is what the sports minister has written in this letter to Mamata Banerjee. This is after the huge embarrassment. It was in fact an international embarrassment, because obviously all eyes are on Lionel Messi, and everybody knows that there was this huge fiasco, this riot in a sense, that took place at the stadium just after Messi landed in India. His first stop was Kolkata, and he went to that stadium where fans, and we know what a football crazy city Kolkata is. Fans, there was one person who said he had postponed his wedding for the event, but the fans did not get to see Messi at all. He just came onto the field briefly. He was surrounded by the VIPs, by politicians, by various officials, and simply went off the field after 10 minutes. And that is what then led to the crowds there going on a rampage. Well, let's go across to Shreyashi now for more. And Shreyashi, that's the breaking news. The West Bengal sports minister now offering to resign, to help an impartial probe to take place.
Well, that's right. The sports minister, of course, had faced a lot of flack on the day of the event. The fans were, of course, name-calling him. There was widespread anger, just not on ground, but also on social media against the West Bengal minister. Photos of him with Messi had also gone viral, where he was seen along with his family members and acquaintances huddling around the football icon. On Monday, he has written to the chief minister offering his resignation, stating that he wants an impartial probe into this incident. And thus, because the inquiry committee has been set up by the chief minister herself, he has given his resignation to the chief minister. We'll have to wait and see whether the chief minister accepts it. So far, there has been no official, press release from the state secretariat regarding a new sports minister. So he still remains the sports minister. He has offered to step down, and more action coming in after the inquiry committee headed by a retired judge of the Calcutta High Court submitted its report to the Chief Minister's office yesterday. Show cause notices have been issued.
Shreyashi, do stay on with us for a moment. We're also joined by Shaturupa, BJP spokesperson. I'll come back to you. Let's just listen in to what she has to say. And, thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us. The sports minister of West Bengal has offered to resign so that the impartial probe can take place. Your reaction?
Good afternoon. As usual, we are privy to so much of optics and gallery shows by the Chief Minister of West Bengal. I think the resignation which has just come in from the Sports Minister of West Bengal is basically just another show. This should have happened. He should have grown wiser before, jumping on to Messi and grabbing his arm and trying to take a selfie. This is not the dignity of a minister who is an elected representative of the public. You call Messi for a public show and you ask people to pay tickets. And then what do those people who've paid so much of money see? They see the Chief Minister arm in arm, Sports Minister arm in arm with the football giant, football god. And then now suddenly after he's been making no comments. There's absolutely no remorse from him. At least no public display of remorse. Now suddenly I think he must have been because of public pressure. He thinks it's wiser to give a resignation. But again, I'm saying this is all West Bengal government optics, Trinamool government optics that we are quite used to seeing.
All right. Well, thank you so much for speaking to us here at NDTV. And going back to Shreyasi, we heard it there from the BJP, and they've been very, very critical of the West Bengal government and of the handling of this entire matter. You've had the organizer placed under arrest as well. Give us more details as to where, this investigation stands, as you were telling us. And also, this is the breaking news we're bringing you, the West Bengal sports minister offering to resign.
Well, as far as the investigation is concerned, there are 2 FIRs that have been filed by the Bidhannagar Police Commissionerate. One against the organizer and one against the vandalism that took place at the Salt Lake Stadium because of not being able to get a glimpse of the football icon. There was a rampage that went on at the Salt Lake Stadium on Saturday. Now, both these cases have been handed over to an SIT which has been constituted by the Chief Minister's office. It is going to be headed by Piyush Pandey, who is the Director of Security, and there are 3 other senior police officers, including the CP of Barakpur and ADG South, Supratim Sarkar, who will be part of this SIT, which is going to now investigate this case. Now, also to let the viewers know, there are 3 separate PILs that have been filed at the Calcutta High Court seeking an independent inquiry into this entire investigation, a court-monitored probe that is likely to be listed next week. So the SIT essentially will begin investigations immediately, taking over the case from the Bidhannagar Police Commissionerate, which had issued a summons to at least 6 others who were part of the organizing committee today, who were supposed to appear before the police. But of course, this entire episode has left the West Bengal government red-faced. It was a global headline on Saturday when Messi was completely taken over by VIPs inside the field, devoiding the spectators of a glimpse of the football icon. They were waiting to see for some it was a lifetime opportunity. Many had paid anywhere between 5,000 to 16,000 rupees to get a glimpse of Messi, and the entire event was turned upside down because the spectators couldn't see the footballer when he reached, and he was hardly there for about 20 minutes.